Here you can see the sparrows are eating. Always feed these sparrows in the morning. Feed birds in the morning. You can feed your pet bird, but if you feed these little creatures, you will get the blessing of God. You will be happy. Your life will be gradually transformed, and you will get a new perspective of life. So always feed birds. Always help them survive in this world, because this is a beautiful scene, and I want to share with you all. For this reason, it's always advisable to share food with birds. You can see these birds are eating, and it's a very beautiful scene, because it gives you a lot of satisfaction when you see these poor little creatures are eating the food you have offered. In fact, you should think that when you feed birds, you are actually feeding the divine being. That's Bhagwan, God, or Allah, as you think. So always help these little creatures. Always feed them in the morning. It is a great job. Thank you.